I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. This is what I'm working with, and I made the progress, and it's okay, and I'm grateful for the progress that I've made so far. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a haul video, and this is a haul of, I guess, some high-end products that I am incorporating into my hair regimen just to help to strengthen my hair and help my wash day to be a breeze. So I am focusing more on my scalp health and on my strands, the health of my strands. So I definitely went out and I bought the Olaplex. So I got the #1 with the #2 traveling stylist kit, and I will be doing a review for you guys about that, and I will be updating my wash day routine so that you guys can see me incorporating that into my wash day routine. So this is what the Olaplex traveling stylist kit comes in this box right here, and I got this, and it has #1 with 2 of the #2s. So this is what #1 looks like, and this is a bond repairing treatment. This is not a conditioner. This is not a conditioner at all. It is just a bond repairing treatment. So I use this, and I also use #2. And #2 is the same thing as well, but it's not as potent as #1. And this is a salon product that is only used for professional, but I wanted to get my hands on it because I've been using #3 at home, and it's been doing really well for my hair. So #2 is a treatment as well, and you kind of use it like a conditioner, except you have to rinse it out and then shampoo your hair and then go through your wash day routine. The reason why I say it's kind of like a conditioner is because it has a consistency of a conditioner. It spreads just like a conditioner, and it leaves your hair really nice and soft just like a conditioner, except it's not a conditioner. You cannot leave this in your hair. You have to shampoo it out and then go throughout your wash day routine. So I guess my goal is to try to incorporate some higher end products just to see how it works with my hair, and if it gives my hair the better quality since it's high end. So definitely having this professional kit, I hope to see a great improvement in the health of my hair, as well as me being able to retain length. Now the next product that I got is from Sephora, and it is this Sunday Riley Clean Rinse Clarifying Scalp Serum, and this has AHA BHA infused properties that will help to clarify your scalp of product buildup, excess oil, dead skin cells, and just help your scalp to be a lot more cleaner. So this is it's like a serum, and I used this already, and it is amazing. So you kind of concentrate this in your scalp, massage your scalp, leave it on for at least 5 minutes, and this will help to get rid of like clogged follicles, clogged a scalp that has a lot of debris, dirt, and just buildup. So I think this is really great, especially when I'm going to use a conditioner. So I want to start with a clean slate, get my scalp really clean, and then, you know, use like great oils that will help my follicles to be more healthy. So this has so many great ingredients. It actually has glycolic acid, and this is probably at a lower percentage, and this is just going to help to exfoliate the surface of the scalp while clarifying product residue from the hair. It has salicylic acid, which is a BHA acid that dissolves oily buildup on the scalp. So you have AHA and you have BHA. You have rose clay, which is gentle astringent that will pull impurities from the scalp. You have vitamin F, which is a fatty acid to soothe and hydrate the scalp. And then you have zinc PCA, which will help to balance both oily and dry scalp. Then it has vitamin B complex, which is great for like strengthening your hair. And it has witch hazel, which is another astringent, and jasmine essential oil. So I've used this, and you guys, this is great for those days where you probably had a protective style in for 3 months and you want something to really clarify and get your scalp really nice and clean. So it comes out in a a goldish color, and you will spread it throughout your scalp, and a little bit of this stuff goes a long way. So that's one thing that I really enjoy, because once I put a quarter size right here, I was able to spread it all the way around here, so I'm able to get my money's worth and not use a lot under one application. So I just did it all over my scalp. I massage it and it spreads really easy. It kind of has like this kind of suds feel to it, where it's like if you put a shampoo in your hair, you know, you get that foaming action and it kind of spreads out. So that's what this serum does. It not necessarily foams, but it suds a little bit, and you're able to really spread it throughout your scalp. I did feel a slight tingle with my scalp, so I guess that was probably like the jasmine oil, or maybe it could have been like the glycolic acid. I'm sure that those BHAs and AHAs are at a lower percentage, because your skin and your scalp is different. It's a different field. It's probably not the same kind of cells and thickness, so I'm sure that those are at a lower percentage. But it felt amazing, and my scalp felt really clean upon me rinsing my hair. One thing that I wanted to point out is that I think because this is a clarifying treatment to get your scalp really clean, I did notice that my hair, which were about half an inch, were really stripped. So I think that's just because, you know, it's really working on the scalp. So that's why I think having it spread so easily, you don't need to use a lot. That way you can really focus on your scalp, because my strands did feel a little bit stripped and really squeaky clean. So maybe I kind of used too much and I got some of it on my hair. But focus it on your scalp will help to get your scalp clean, because my scalp felt really clean. I mean, I could feel it on my hair, then my hair felt stripped. But I think that's a sign that that area is clean, and that's what I was going for. And it just felt amazing. So once I use that, then I follow up with my regular wash day routine, which was using my conditioner and using the Olaplex system. So I'm definitely enjoying this scalp serum that's clarifying. The next product that I got was from my Sephora beauty gift item, and this is the Brugio deep conditioning mask and the charcoal coconut oil micro exfoliating shampoo. And I love this. The deep conditioning mask just made my hair feel really nice and soft, and it had a lot of slip to it, and my hair just felt really amazing. But this is the small one, so I'm, you know, using it as sparingly as I can and trying to spread it, because these are expensive, but they made my hair feel really good. Now this exfoliating shampoo, I actually used this concentrating it around my scalp, and my hair felt really good. I think it has some essential oils in here, maybe. I did get a slight tingling, but upon rinsing my hair, my scalp felt amazing, and it felt really clean. It did have a slightly stripping effect, but I think, you know, this is exfoliating. This is going to be something that's really going to get that area clean. So I'm glad that I incorporated these items in my hair. I'm just hoping that, you know, with a higher end product, they will help my hair to be a lot more healthier, and you know, just improve the quality of my hair. So I'm glad that I have these items, and leave a comment down below if you use any of these items. I'm sure that, you know, somebody might be interested in using these items, so that's why I wanted to include them and give them give you guys like my review of how the product has worked with my hair. Be mindful that my hair is different than your hair, and you know, some products do react differently, but I've had a good experience with it, and I'm glad, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys until next time. Bye.